Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're well. Got another quick tutorial for you, which is how to enable dark mode in ChatGPT. It's really simple. So all you need to do is head to ChatGPT on the left-hand side, click on your profile, then settings, and from here general, and you will see appearance at the top. I've got mine on light mode at the moment, but if you want to change it to dark, click on dark and you can see everything goes dark. You can also play around with the accent colors. So by default it's grey, but you've got like blue, green, yellow, pink and orange. So if I click on one of those, come out of there, you can see like little bits of it turned pink. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Bye.